Hey, look, my friend Brandon is here from Estes. What's happening today?
AC inspection.
Yeah, you said that very seriously. AC inspection. I'm gonna follow him around, see exactly what he's gonna do. Yeah, I'm not going up there. Are you done already up there? The basement now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope I cleaned up down there. What are you doing in here?
Inspecting the furnace.
How was it?
Perfect.
Now?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're outside. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna check your outdoor units and check your capacitors and clean the units.
Okay. Oh, there they are, nice and clean and purring like a kitten. All right, Brandon, that was fast. But how did we do? How's my house?
House is perfect. Refrigerator levels are good. Filters are changed. You're ready to go.
All right, I'm looking forward to a cool summer. Thanks to my friends at Estes Services. You better give them a call too, and Brandon will come see you.